know, I've been asked to make tutorials of beginner-friendly combos. So I'm going to start with this one that's got 3 beginner moves that go together to make something a bit dancey. A float, a step through, and a weave. And of course, we'll do it in both directions. Float, step through, weave. Okay? But just to be sure that each of those moves feels secure, I'll go through them one by one. So the float, hoop in front of you, knuckles up to the sky, pass it round to your back and receive it, knuckles up to the sky. Round it goes. Other way. Always practice it both ways. And if it's going wrong, you've probably turned your hand over somewhere. So make sure knuckles are up at the front, knuckles are up at the back. They should be able to patch you behind. They won't, they don't, but they could. So that's the float. Then the step through. It's going to come across, round, opposite arm to opposite leg. So as this comes across, I'm going to lift up the opposite leg, lift up over my head and bring it down for the other leg to step out. Do that again. So again, knuckles are up. Bring up the opposite leg, lift up with my head and down over the other leg. Better do it both ways, haven't we? So coming from the other side, opposite arm, leg. Up, over, out. Up, over, out. And we find ourselves in the perfect place to start a weave. And that is palm up, thumb back. So you're going to do this one facing the other way so you can follow behind me. Okay? So we're going to make a figure of 8 that loops and crosses over in front. Always following our thumb. Over, 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 over. And if you're right-handed, you'll probably like it a lot better on this side. So, same principle, palm up, thumb back. Try and keep it so it's a bit like you're in the middle of train tracks and we're keeping the hoop on the line of the tracks. So there it goes. Over, over, over. So we can put it all together. So mirror me and we'll try it both ways. Let's go that way first. Okay? Float. 1, 2, 3, and ready for that step through. Opposite leg. Up. Turn so you've got your side to the camera, or your audience, of course. There's your weave. Let's swap. So we're going other way. 1, 2, 3. Opposite arm and leg. Turn to the side. And weave. Okay, I hope you have some fun playing with that. Let me know how you get on. Bye, thanks for watching.